Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the privacy protection. Then let's tap on special permissions, and here find install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher. Right here we've got the warning. You have to be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Mark this statement that you're aware of the possible risks and confirm it with OK. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome in my case is now allowed to install some content. Of course, it works the same with all other apps, and if you want to, you can remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.